Alright guys, so it's pretty easy to get Discord for your PS5. It's free to download. Now first just go home, hold the PS button. You may think this is in a store, but it's actually not. Instead, what you're going to do is go up. To the top right, go to settings. Go down to users and accounts. Then go to privacy. Go to view and customize your privacy settings. Then go down to your activity. These two options have to be set to anyone. Who can see your online status and who can see your gaming history. Once they're set to anyone, just go back. Then back again, go down to link services. And select Discord. Go and press link. Accept and continue. Then you can either scan a QR code with your phone or use a browser. This will bring up the browser so you can sign in or make an account. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.